Okay, welcome. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to download and install the Manim Node Editor. So without wasting any time, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open search engine you're using, and then you are going to type BBTEN Technologies. Just search for BBTEN Technologies like this. And the first link you get, just click on it. And I suggest you choose technical. Okay. And then after choosing technical, the first time you open this, you launch this website, it's going to ask you or to choose your path, whether you're end user or technical. I suggest you click on technical, and then you can close this pop-up. And then just scroll down to the footer, and you will see resource downloads, and you click on that, and then it will take you to the resource downloads, and then you just scroll down, you will see software, Manim Node Editor, and download. You just click on that. So since I've already downloaded this before, I will just overwrite. I'm using IDM, which is Internet Download Manager. So whatever you're using for downloading, it's okay, as long as you know where your downloaded file will be once this is done. So as you can see, the executable file takes around 185 megabytes. So depending on whether you have space or not, this is not really bad. So I'm just gonna wait for it to finish downloading, or maybe skip forward. Okay, so mine has finished downloading, and I'm just gonna open the folder, and here we are. That's the Manim Node Editor setup.exe. Just double click on that, and it will prompt you. Just click yes, accept. This is Manim Node Editor is an open source software, so you won't be paying anything for it because it's built on top of Manim, and Manim is an open source project. And you just click next. Okay, before that, as you can see, you can basically install it through whatever path you feel is convenient for you, but I'll just install it to the default destination location, and you can check whether you want to create a desktop icon or not, of which I would recommend that you create a desktop icon. And please note that Manim uses some LaTeX toolchain. So it will install MikTeX. It will check whether MikTeX is installed in your system, and if not, it will prompt you to download during after installation. This is for, you'll understand later when we start using Manim why this is necessary. Just click next. Again, make sure this is checked and click next, and then install. So it will install all necessary features. I will just skip forward so as to save time. Okay, and there we are. So we'll just, of course, we can close this. You can uncheck this, close it, and click finish, and then you will, of course, find Manim on your desktop like this here. But in this case, I'll just launch it from here. There we go, and your Manim has launched successfully. Again, please note, Manim depends on LaTeX toolchain as well as FFmpeg. So if you don't have them installed, then the installer will prompt you to install them. Okay. And in a later video, I will show you what happens if maybe you did not install them. Maybe I should show it to you now, because in the next video, I'll be walking you through the user interface. So I think for now, what I will do is I'll just close this, and I will show you how to, if maybe you did not install um, the MikTeX or whatever LaTeX toolchain you use, and FFmpeg, how to see if you have them in your system, just to make sure that you don't experience any crashes. You'll go to system check, and you see, for me, I do have FFmpeg. It's ready. If it was not, it was gonna tell you to install. Okay. So as you can see, you have these two buttons, get FFmpeg and get MikTeX. So if you did not install them, then you can just use any of these two buttons. For instance, if I click this, it takes me to download FFmpeg page, right? And same applies to get MikTeX. If I click MikTeX, then it will take me directly to the MikTeX download page. So yeah, it also uses GPU, so it will tell you, it will automatically check for a GPU in your system, and if you have a compatible GPU, it will use OpenGL for rendering. So yeah, that's it for today. I didn't want to dwell too much on the features that Manim has, because we will be delving into that in the next video. Right, please like and subscribe. That helps us to make more videos, and it is very, very encouraging. And it tells us that you like what we do and you'd like to see more. Thank you.